Hi guys, welcome to this week's tutorial, and it's about this two small, this one is a crossbody bag, that's the size, but this one is like a small pouch. Probably you have seen the pictures as a thumbnail, and you can see that these are very easy made. It's just double crochet and chain stitch. And for those I also have a tutorial, so these are very easy and beginner friendly bags to do. So the first one I will drop all the details in the description box, and the second one I have actually done the tutorial of the second one because it's smaller and then I could do it faster. For the first one, for the black one, I have used the kumi cord. For that I also have a tutorial. You can find it over here, the link. And inside I did also kumi cord because it's bigger, so it needs a more stronger shoulder strap, we can say that. And then for the pouch, for the little one, for the small one, I just did the shoulder strap and the cord inside here with a bicolor cord. For that also I have a tutorial, and I will put the link up here. Yes, so these are very easy to do, and they build up very quickly, and they look very fashion right now, very boho style. So I think you will like them as well. You can make so many color variations with this, with a pom-pom. And also I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and if you like the content of my channel, and share this page with your friends, give a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all social media. You can find there maybe updates that I don't post on YouTube. Also you can check my Etsy shop for patterns. I do a lot of mochila patterns, tapestry, crochet. And for everybody who has been following me and supporting me all this time, I want to say a big thank you. And with all these things being said, let's just get into it. For this project I'm going to use this kind of white, I don't know how you call. I will drop the link in the description box. Is Catania 100% mercerized cotton, and for this I'm going to use a 2mm hook. Okay, yeah, so I got these new hooks and I feel really good with these ones, so I will drop them the link in the description box. Also very cheap, they don't cost. Okay, so we will start with a slip knot first. Once we do the slip knot, we will have 40 chain stitches. Okay, so let's do 40 chains. 1, 2, 3. So if you are a beginner, you can also check a tutorial that I have for the slip knot and how to do the chain stitch. I will link it over here. 39, 40. Okay, then we will yarn under, and I will insert the hook at the chain number 4. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. At the chain number 4 I will insert the hook, and I will do a double crochet. If you don't know what is a double crochet and you are a beginner, I also have a tutorial for that. I will link it here so you can check that tutorial. Okay, so I did one double crochet, and together with the chain stitch here, these 3 ones, there are 2 double crochet for me. This is how I count it. So on the way back, on each chain we will do 1 double crochet. So we will continue to do 1 double crochet until the end. Finish the double crochet until the very last stitch, but the slip knot stitch I'm not going to use it. Okay, so you have to leave that, otherwise the line here, the yarn is going to pull out. Okay, so if we are going to work until the end, we started with 40 stitches, chain stitches. 3 stitches I use it here, so this is 1 double crochet for me. And then until the end from here, so if I count apart from this one, if I count all the double crochet that I did. There are 37 in total, plus this one, because this for me is also a double crochet stitch. So there are in total 38. So once you finish this side, you must have 38 double crochet stitches. At the very last one, where I did one double crochet, I will do 2 more in the same stitch. These are increases that will help me to do the sides. So I will do 2 more double crochet in the same chain stitch. So in total, with the previous one, I will have 3 double crochet. If you see here in one stitch, I have 1, 2, 3 double crochet. And now I am going to work my way back. Okay, so I will do double crochet in one chain, 1 double crochet until I arrive at the very end here. Okay, at the last one, where I have this chain stitch here and the double crochet, I will tell you how we are going to connect it. Okay, so now let's do double crochet on the way back. So let's do the next one. So here we have 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. So the next one we are going to insert the hook is on the way back, is this one here, right? And we are going to do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in one stitch. This one, try to tuck it under. So 1 double crochet in one stitch, and it will come out a little bit like puff like this, which is good because this means that we can do the corner here. Okay, so we're just going to work like this on each stitch, 1 double crochet. Let's work the next one. Double crochet, and again double crochet, okay. So I did all the way back with a double crochet, and if you see here at the last stitch, I have 2 double crochets in one stitch. So I'm going to do 1 more, and I will call this an increase. Okay, so this will help me do the corner of the other side of the corner, like we did over here. It will help me to have this effect. So I will insert the hook in the same hole where I did this 2 double crochet. So I will do 1 more double crochet like this, and then I will count the stitches, the chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. At the third one, I will insert the hook like this, yarn under, pull through the yarn, and then pull it through again. So I will connect the end of round 1 with the beginning of round 1. So this 3, 1, 2 and the last double crochet we did for me are like increases, which will help me to have the effect of the corners here. Okay, so now we will start round number 2. I will do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3 chains. So this chain stitch here corresponds to the other chain stitch here. Okay, so which also in the same time is a double crochet for me. So now I will just keep working doing double crochet. So now I will do a double crochet in the next stitch, and I will continue to work like this all the way around. We don't do any more increases or anything like that. We just do on each stitch 1 double crochet. So just work like this all way around. All around the double crochet. So I finished also the last stitch with the double crochet. So now again I will count chain number 3, 1, 2, 3. At the chain number 3 I will insert the hook and under pull through and pull through again to the loop of the previous double crochet. So I connect them. So now for a round, so it's going to look like this. So we finish 2 rounds, and now for round number 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this one corresponds to this one here. So I will have one more double crochet for the next stitch, one double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet. Next I will do 1 chain, and then I will do 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and to the next one I will do 1 double crochet. So we will have this kind of like a square. Okay, so next 1 double crochet, and I will just continue to do the same, 1 chain and skip 1, and the next one 1 double crochet, the next stitch 1 double crochet, again next 1 double crochet, 1 chain and another 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and to the second one 1 double crochet. So this is the pattern that I'm going for. So next, so we will have 2 double crochet here, and then 1 chain, and then skip 1 stitch, and the next one do 1 double crochet. This is the pattern I'm going for. Okay, so let's do again together, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and skip 1 stitch, to the second one double crochet. So I'm going to work like this all the way around. So at the end I did end up like this. The last, so I did 2 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, and I did 1 double crochet at the last stitch. And here I'm just going to connect them. So we will have 3 double crochet in a row. So chain 1, 2, 3 at the chain number 3. So 1, 2, 3, chain number 3, I will insert the hook and under pull through and pull through again. I will connect like this. Okay, so now for the coming round I am going to do all around with double crochet. Okay, so let's do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the first stitch 1 double crochet, and then here where we have the space 1 double crochet like this, and then on each stitch 1 double crochet. We don't do any patterns here, any squares. We just do all around with double crochet. So the pattern is going to be like this: 1 round with double crochet all around, and 1 round with this pattern, with this simple pattern. Okay, so in the next hole 1 double crochet, next 2 stitches, again 1 double crochet on each, and we continue working 1 double crochet on each stitch and double crochet, 1 double crochet on each hole all around like this. Hole, 1 double crochet. Okay, so I finished the round with only double crochet, so I will end up like this at the end. I will count 1, 2, 3, chain number 3, insert the hook, pull through, so I connect, and it will look like this. So now the next round is just a repetition of these 2 rounds. So what I'm going to do is alternate 1 round with this pattern, 1 round with only double crochet, and so on. I will do this for another 15 rows.